Well, hello everyone. Paul Huber for Nissan of Cool Springs. Thank you so much for dropping in to watch our video today. We would like to extend a welcome to all of our pre-owned crossover shoppers today. We really hope that this video is helpful in the search for your next vehicle. Today we're looking at a pre-owned 2017 Nissan Murano SL all-wheel drive edition. It's very nicely equipped and it's truly in like new condition. It's still under factory warranty. So now let's take a look inside. We see that it has a fantastic, absolutely immaculate interior with heated front bucket seats, leather throughout, plenty of room for 3 passengers in back, and power driver's seat. Other features include a Bose premium audio system with a great selection of convenience and electronics and safety items as well. Those features include push button start, remote start, SiriusXM radio, plus it has Bluetooth for use with your cell phone, not to mention GPS navigation, backup camera with the around view monitor system, but it also has power rear lift gate, it has steering wheel mounted audio controls, as well as cruise control, and more. All you need to do now is give us a call at 615-224-8314 today and we'll set up a time for your test drive. We'll see you here at Nissan of Cool Springs, home of the lifetime warranty.